guys, today we're gonna be doing treats, and let's get started. So our first treats are going to be Rice Krispies treats. You want to start by greasing your pan and melting butter onto a pot. Now you want to start melting your marshmallows little by little, mixing it together and allowing it to melt. You want to continue mixing and then adding little by little more marshmallows. After it's all melted, start by adding your cereal and mixing it in the pot to not make any mess. After that, you want to add it to your pan and then let it cool. After you cut it into pieces of your desired choice, we added some chocolate onto a stick in order to make it into a lollipop. Once you let them cool, they're good to go. Now for our cupcakes, you obviously had to put your cupcake liner. In this case, we used a mix from the store. We followed the instructions and we also baked the extra that we had. We put the cupcakes into the oven for 25 to 30 minutes, but the cake did take a bit longer. Now for our frosting, we just used a frosting from the store and we mixed it with cream cheese and a little bit of powdered sugar. Cream cheese. You can also add food coloring of whatever color you like your frosting to be. Then we got our icing bag ready to frost the cupcakes.
I think you're gonna have to be careful. Or you're gonna have to go
Now the easiest way to frost your cupcakes is to start in the center and head on out, because I don't know why when I was little I would always frost them from the outside going in and then like the middle would be like up, but from the center out is better. We also added some edible glitter, and now onto our chocolate covered apples. We then microwaved some oil, and this helps with the consistency of the chocolate in order to dip your apples. Now we mixed both chocolates together, but I'm not even sure why we added white, because we went back to add more pink to make it more vibrant. Now we made some milk-based jello, and all you have to do is heat up your milk, add the powder, and stir. We then added it to these cups. We put it in the fridge for about 30 minutes. Once you take them out, they're good to go. I hope you guys make these easy treats. Bye!